In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Systeme.io. Tags are simple labels you attach to contacts so you can organize your audience, segment your emails, and keep track of interests or actions. Think of them like colored stickers in a notebook. Quick to add, easy to filter, and incredibly helpful when you need to find the right people at the right time. We'll walk through logging in, finding your tags, and assigning them to contacts manually with clear tips along the way. First, log into your Systeme.io account. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're on a secure connection. Once you're in, you'll be on the dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the sidebar. That's where you'll do most of your navigation. If you're using multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the correct one so your tags and contacts match the project you're working on. Next, head to Contacts, then choose Tags. This page gives you an overview of the tags that already exist in your account. You'll see tag names and typically how many contacts are associated with each one. If you're just getting started, this list might be short, and that's perfectly fine. Use this view to double check your naming conventions. Clear, consistent names make it much easier to find and use tags later. Avoid special characters or overly long tag names, and keep the purpose obvious at a glance. Now let's assign tags to contacts manually. Open contacts and select a specific contact to view their profile. Look for the option to add tag. When you click it, you'll see the tags available to apply. Choose the one that best matches why you're tagging this person. Maybe it's their interest, their purchase status, or how they joined your list. After you add the tag, verify it appears in the contact's profile. If you need to refine your organization, you can add more than one tag, but try to keep it purposeful to avoid clutter. This manual method is especially useful for one-off updates, fixing small data issues, or labeling new contacts as you review them. A few best practices as you wrap up. Keep tag names simple and consistent, and avoid putting sensitive information in a tag. Review your tags periodically to merge duplicates and retire ones you no longer use. Most importantly, remember that tags are powerful because they make filtering and segmenting fast, helping you send the right message to the right people. That's it. Log in, check your tags, and apply them to contacts with confidence.